Today we're gonna make a really easy and fluffy no oven bread recipe. Let's do it. We got 4 cups of all-purpose flour in this bowl here. In this bowl here, I got some lukewarm water and some yeast swimming in there. I've beat 2 eggs here. We're gonna throw this into our dry mix. Into our flour, we're gonna add about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. That seems about right. Give this a mix. Here, I'm gonna create a little well and add my beat eggs. Let's mix that in. And now I'm going to add my water and yeast mixture, and let's mix this well. And now I'm gonna add my hands in there and try to form a ball. Let's transfer this over to my counter. Now I'm gonna knead this dough for 5 to 7 minutes. All right, here's our nice dough ball. Fresh bowl, my little olive oil spray. You can use olive oil or butter or whatever to grease up your pan there. Just gonna put in my dough ball here, get it greased up. I'm just gonna cover this now and leave it to rest for about 45 minutes. Here is our dough after 45 minutes. Great, looks really good. Let's roll this out a bit, and then I'm gonna portion it. Now we're going to roll these into balls and then place them in our pan with our parchment paper. There they are. Gonna put on the lid here and let this rest for another 15 minutes, and then we're gonna cook these up. Okay, 15 minutes is up. Now we're ready to paint some egg yolk on our dough. I'm gonna paint it like a Bob Ross. Sprinkle on some sesame seeds. Yum. Okay, let's turn on our heat. It's on low heat, and let's cook this up for roughly 18 minutes. So the buns are done. They smell and they actually look fantastic. Let's pull these out. That looks great. Oh yeah. They are very soft and very fluffy. That is fantastic. Try this one at home. Hey, and also check out some of these recipes over here, and please support us by hitting that like and subscribe button.